This is the way we assembled the GTR battery before. And now we have upgraded it to make it easier and more convenient. First, we take the battery out. Pay attention to the hand posture. The wrong posture may cause you to hit the password lock when placing the battery. After we pull out the battery, we can see that the socket is fixed in the battery compartment, which makes the battery insertion and removal easier. It should be noted that before assembling the battery, do not turn the locking tab out. When we put in the battery, we should keep the end of battery close to the battery compartment, maintain a tilted angle, and slowly put in. Otherwise, it is possible to crush the socket at the bottom. Or use this posture for more safety and comfort.